Hello and welcome, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing the TP-Link Mesh Wi-Fi range extender. Now as you can see, this is what it looks like. I'm just going to be opening it up. This is an AC1200 dual band range extender. It works on both the 5 GHz and the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi bands. It basically kills all your Wi-Fi dead zones. It says Wi-Fi dead zone killer. It supports smart roaming and it's easy setup via the Tether app. Okay, so it works with any Wi-Fi router. It's the RE300, that's the model number. Okay, what do we have over here? OneMesh, more than a traditional range extender. Okay, again it's just repeating that stuff. Upgrade to the mesh network. Okay, so there's a QR code given. If you scan this, you can check the full list of OneMesh extenders and routers at this website. Okay, so what else is there at the back? Okay, so you can extend AC1200 Wi-Fi to your whole home. So basically this will eliminate any Wi-Fi dead zones in your house. So that's one of the advantages of this. If you have a place at home where you just don't get any signal, if you put this somewhere close by or in that room, you can just extend the range of that existing Wi-Fi and it works in there. Okay, some more product details on this other side. You have the model number, it's the RE300. Convenient AC plug. So it's basically just an AC plug. You just plug it into any power socket. Secure one-touch connection, which is WPS. Smart signal indicator. See signal strength to find the best spot. Okay, so if it's white, it's a strong signal. If it's red, it's showing weak signal. Expandable Wi-Fi. Increase Wi-Fi coverage to suit your needs by adding more extenders. Okay, so they say you can buy more than one extender and you can just plug a whole bunch of these in all around your house and you'll get excellent Wi-Fi. Alright, so let's just go ahead and open up and scan this. By the way, there is a QR code given over here to actually scan and download the TP-Link Tether, which is an app, okay, which works with this, which helps you tether and actually set that up at your Wi-Fi. Now that is what you get inside. So right as soon as you open it up, you get a quick installation guide. I do recommend that you should read this, or you should at least watch the videos. You can scan the QR code and watch a setup video and it will tell you how to actually use this product. Okay, put that off to the side, and over here we actually have the range extender. So it's quite big. It's not something that's so tiny. I mean, it's quite big sized, and it just plugs into your wall socket and it'll do the rest. And of course you have to download the app, which I said, and you'll be all set to go. So there you are, folks. That was what you get in the box of the TP-Link Mesh Wi-Fi range extender. We hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.